Welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to back up and restore WhatsApp messages. So let's start. So if you want to back up a message, let's go to WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp, let's go to our chats and then let's go to three dots on the top right corner there. And let's click on settings. Here on settings, just select chat and then just scroll down and let's go to chat backup. Here on chat backup, if you want to backup by yourself, just go to backup, and also you can select the account and you prefer to save everything, and then just scroll down and you can go to automatic backups. You can say daily, weekly, or monthly. Then when you do it, you can include videos or using your phone data. So you can start a backup all the chats here, and then when you back up, you can cover your messages or restore when you start logging into your WhatsApp account. That's how you can restore in WhatsApp. Android is with Drive, Google Drive, and on WhatsApp iPhone, well, you need to use iCloud. So guys, with this you can do it. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.